a profession. And playing sport itself is a very risky business in the sense कि there are hundreds ifs and buts that can happen जो कि आपके sports career को derail कर सकती है. So if you made up your mind to be a sportsman, just be a little careful because an injury can happen. Uh, Anything can happen. A selector may not like you, and जो आपकी talent है उसके हिसाब से आपको वो recognition नहीं भी मिल सकती है. So you always have a backup option. So that is what I did. I was very smart actually. So मुझे ये लगा कि कैसे मैं अपना sports career को भी pursue करता रहूं, and I get into a job as well. I become an officer. I ठीक ठाक था मैं पढ़ने लिखने में भी. So I thought that I should become an officer. I should, get that kind of dignity which being an officer affords to each one of us, especially in the Indian Armed Forces. So I decided that my best way forward would be to try and join the Armed Forces, which actually has a sports team playing in the national championship. So मेरे case में, the services team plays in the Ranji Trophy. So I did not want to stop playing cricket after my graduation. I did not want to, जैसे ज़्यादातर लोग करते हैं कि, you graduate and then you get into a job and that's the end of your sports career. Because एक बार आप job में घुस जाए, so that's it. That's what you do for the rest of your life. So I was not, I didn't want to become one of those. So I tried and I joined the Indian Air Force. And I got through the recruitment exams, which people have already said here. It's not so easy. You might want to join, but it's not always possible to join. But I was one of the lucky few who actually got through the recruitment process, and I completed my training. And first year, जब मैं cadet था in the Air Force Academy, that year itself I got into the Air Force team, and then I got into the services team, and I started playing Ranji Trophy, which at that point of time was the limit of my dreams or aspirations जो मैं करना चाहता था उस time पे. And so just to cut a long story short, I continued to play for services. We were playing, हम North Zone में खेलते थे उन दिनों में हमारे time में North Zone had 6 teams, Delhi, Punjab, Haryana, J&K and services. So इन 6 टीमों में से, and it was the strongest zone in the country in the 1980s and early 1990s में, where half or probably more than that of the Indian team of that time was from that zone. So I was lucky enough, I got selected in the North Zone team as well. So उस time पे मेरा सपना ये था कि I would play for India as well in cricket, but somehow वो हो नहीं पाया. But it was great. I mean, I reached up to that